Lo mchida igama lakhe nguBanele, the street barber with the sharpest fade in the township. He didn't need a salon, he needed secrets. Ekasi, everyone knows Banele. With no license, no shop, just a mirror, a camchair and a generator near the spaza. But people never came to him just for a cut. They came to talk, because Banele listens. He knew everything. Uba notsholele omunye, uba notshotsa imali yestokfela, even who was planning to rob the local tavern. But akaze asho lutho. Uzigundela intshebe nje and nodded like a psychologist. Until one day, the ward councillor sat on Banele's chair. 10 minutes into the cut, the councillor says, "Bacabanga ukuthi angazi ukuthi ubani onika ubafu poison." Banele didn't blink, he just said, "Ukube uthulile mfowethu." 2 weeks later, the councillor was arrested, not for poisoning, but for corruption. Turns out Banele had a tiny voice recorder under the chair, and he'd been collecting every conversation. When the police finally raided his shack, they didn't find clippers, they found a wall full of names, photos and dates, for each person had sat in that chair. Banele wasn't just a barber. He was building a case, cutting hair by day and exposing crime by night. He is now in witness protection. But Ekasi, the camchair is still there, empty, facing the mirror. Umbuzo uthi, who's the next person to sit on the chair? Could it be you? Asazi until uBanele abuye back eKasi. Don't forget to subscribe, press like, follow and share this video with your friends. Danko!